Today's video is very different from what I usually do. Actually, I was in between shoot, so I was having my tea time, sharing a few things with you guys, which mostly my friends and my family keep asking me why you consume green tea, why you like herbal teas, and why not coffee. I don't know, I'm not a coffee person, I'm a tea lover, and especially herbal teas and green tea. No doubt there is caffeine in green tea, which is also in coffee, but I don't know, I don't like the taste of coffee, I'm sorry coffee lovers. So today we are here to discuss something about green tea. Somebody recently asked me that do you even know there are so many side effects of green tea, and I was like, what? I am having green tea from last, I don't know, 8-9 years, and I haven't faced any side effect. But when I did some research about it, I actually came to know that there are some side effects, but everything in excess is bad, right? So we have to take care of few things before consuming anything in excess, especially. So we are going to discuss all the benefits, side effects, and who should consume it, how much we should consume it. Without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it, and don't forget to comment down below. Alright, let's start with benefits. What are the benefits of green tea? Okay, so the number one is it is great source of antioxidants, helps in strengthening our immunity. Number two, it improves our metabolism. Number three, it promotes our heart health. Four, it helps in weight loss, right, which is great. And five, it removes our bad cholesterol. Also removes toxins from our body. It has anti-aging properties. It is also good for thyroid patients and people who have high blood pressure problems. Then what are the side effects, right? People must be thinking there are so many benefits of it. Then what can be the side effects? Then after some research, I came to know that people with different blood groups can face different kind of issues with green tea. Yes, I was shocked like you. If you have O positive or negative, I am O positive. So people with blood group of O positive or negative can face little bit of side effects with green tea. They have very sensitive stomach. Their stomach is prone to acidity. Green tea contains caffeine, so you can face a little bit of acidity issues. I'm not saying that we should not consume it. People with O blood group should not consume it. No, we should limit our consumption to maximum 2 cups or max 3 cups a day. That's it, not more than that. Otherwise, we will face heartburn and all the acidity issues. People A or B blood groups are good. You can have max 4 cups a day or 5. I don't think you need more than that, right? Also, with higher dosage of caffeine, we can face problems like insomnia, nausea, diarrhea, upset stomach, all those issues. Also, if we increase caffeine intake, then what our body do? It start excreting great amount of calcium from our body, which is not a good thing. Also, excess consumption of caffeine lowers testosterone and iron levels in our body, and people with anxiety issues should avoid it or try to take just 1 cup a day, because it especially the caffeine in green tea increases anxiety issues, anxiety levels. It also promotes irregular heartbeat. You can see green tea is not an issue, caffeine in green tea is the biggest issue. So I think you all have got an idea that what is green tea, when we should have it, how much we should consume it, and don't forget, if you are O positive or negative, don't take more than 2 to 3 cups a day. That's what I researched. Pregnant ladies or ladies who are breastfeeding should not consume it more than 2 cups a day. Again, I'm not a doctor. I am suggesting you all to consult your doctors before doing anything or taking anything. Thank you all. I think we had a real great talk. I also think that I should make these kind of videos more often. Let me know in the comment section if you like this video or not, and if you think that I should make more these kind of videos and share my little bit knowledge with you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I love you. Have a good day. Bye.